What I would be doing is dimethyl glycine so that you restore the on off switches of your own DNA because we're all missing dimethyl glycine from our food because of glyphosate, which was what I was saying in detailed chemical language earlier. Dimethyl glycine, which is why with Cardio Miracle, I like to use either the Pro Oranges of Nutritional Frontiers or the proline greens with the oxygen carrying capacity. Because if you're older, then you're more likely burning fat and not sugar. So the kids tend to do better on the pro oranges. So it's just a matter of nutrifying the orchestration of the expression of your genes, because there's no such thing as common variable immune deficiency. They just poison you. So it's common and it's variable and it's acquired immune deficiency. It's AIDS. And you fix it by just simply supplying type 1 interferon so your B regulatory cell can make the antibodies.